Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about email marketing, its advantages, and how to do email marketing, and how can I earn by email marketing. So let's start our video. How to do email marketing. This will be a step by step and ultimate guide for you for learn and earn by email marketing. Step 1. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a strategy to communicate with potential customers through email and promote your products or services. Advantages of email marketing: cost effective way to reach a large audience, personalized messaging to increase engagement, quick and easy to set up campaigns, trackable result to measure success, environmentally friendly, reduce paper waste. For email marketing, first of all, we need email list of our targeted audience. So let's start collecting targeted email list of our targeted audience. For email collection, first of all, we need two Chrome extension. One is email hunter. I have already added to Chrome. You can add this extension by just clicking on add to Chrome. And second one is email extractor tool. After adding these Chrome extension, just go to Chrome and write site linkedin.com. Then we will write our niche or keyword like hotel. Then I will target our location because we need our location targeted customers, so I will target USA. Then I will write gmail.com. After this, click on search. I have added to Chrome extension. This Chrome extension will collect email addresses, and for this Chrome extension will work for collecting from all pages. Just enable auto search and see the results. This extension starts scraping all pages automatically. In few minutes, these Chrome extensions will collect all email from all pages. I just want to stop here. Then click on all mails and collect your emails by clicking copy, and then I will go to Excel. by by pressing Ctrl V, I have pasted all email addresses in Excel sheet. You can also earn money by just selling your email list on Fiverr.com. Just go to your Fiverr and search niche targeted email list. And see the results. There are 12,000 plus sellers there. Those are selling their email list and earning money. So why you can't do so? Email collection was a first step in email marketing, and the second step is organize your message. Your good message can attract many clients that increase your sales and maximum your profit. And the third step in email marketing is sending emails. So you can use any software to send your email to your targeted inbox. Sending email manually is the best tool to directly reach out in targeted inbox. If you will use any other software, those messages can go to spam. So my recommendation is send emails manually. If you have not any time, I can send your emails manually one by one. Just place an order on Fiverr.com. I will paste my link in description. You can reach out for sending email manually.